James Garner, is James Garner here?
I'm here.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving into a courtroom showdown that ends with 30 days in jail. Meet James Garner, who walks in with sovereign citizen energy and leaves with a hard reality check. In under a minute, the tone is set. Already tell, this won't be your usual hearing. The tension builds fast, and it only gets crazier from here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What is your middle name? Can you remove your hat, please? And your scarf. What is your middle name, Mr. Garner?
Errol.
Earl?
No.
He's on the 1:30 docket, Your Honor, I believe.
James Garner. Earl Garner. James E-R-R-O-L Garner, right?
Yes.
You are on the 1:30 docket.
If you want, Your Honor, I can give House Counsel an offer right now. She can report it to him.
On James Garner, do you see all the cases he has?
I see just the 4 that are on the docket, or 5.
Yeah.
You've got more?
He's got plenty more.
Okay. You want me to come down, review, and do a global offer?
If you could, please.
Okay, I'm on my way down.
Mr. Garner, do you want to offer on these or do you want to go to trial?
I would like to know what the charges are.
Garner challenges courtroom rules, refusing to remove his hat, questioning the process. The judge, calm but clearly unimpressed, offers choices: take a deal or go to trial. It's a power test, and Garner is playing games with someone who's already 5 moves ahead. You can feel the control slipping from the defendant's hands.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus James Earl Garner. Case number SP110045, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP11695. Those are driving license expired, misdemeanor, no insurance, insurance misdemeanor. Thank you. And an improper plate misdemeanor, all of them punishable by maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP1169507, counts 1 and counts 2, expired license and no insurance misdemeanor, both punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP1169521, same improper plates, same punishment, $500 in 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, maximum possible penalty. SP1223079, driver license suspended. SP1273761, SP1927512. 3 of those tickets are all punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP1547006, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. Those are civil infractions. SP1547407, counts 1 and counts 2. Count 1 being a driver license suspended repeat offender. This one is in warrant status, probably an old case that he didn't pay. SP800104, counts 1 and counts 2. 1 being an unregistered untitled. He owes $1,194 on that. And SP and count 2 of that is a drove while licensed improper. It looks like he has a $114 fine on that. State of Michigan versus James Earl Garner, case number SX 36268561. That is a drug while license expired. And that will be $500 maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
All right, guys, this is where it snowballs. The judge starts listing charge after charge, 17 in total, and Garner still thinks he's in control. You can hear the weight of his decisions stacking up. It's not just traffic tickets. This is a full legal collapse happening in real time. And the judge is methodical, delivering it like clockwork.
Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No,
Let's start there.
Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean,
Oh,
This is the moment Garner steps fully into sovereign citizen mode. He begins referencing legal codes, declaring there's no victim and insisting the state has no standing. It's the same script we've seen before, but this time the judge is having none of it. Every word Garner speaks digs the hole deeper. The courtroom patience is thinning.
I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
We want to do it.
withdrawing my name from the record on that one. Thank you.
I know. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner? You set the matter. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Either set the matter for trial, or I'll wait for the city to give you an offer. What do you want to do?
Well, the court hasn't even established jurisdiction. I mean, in order for jurisdiction, the jurisdiction has to be established first, and there's no jurisdiction established. And once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
Claiming no one has jurisdiction over him. The judge calmly breaks it down. The city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims. It's legal reality versus legal fantasy. The clash is subtle but powerful. You see the judge keep control while Garner clings to a sinking argument, unaware that the clock is ticking.
All right. Do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness, and the state cannot be.
Well, I'm not gonna listen. If that's your motion, I'm gonna deny the motion. Okay. So all we're gonna do now, we're not gonna keep going back and forth. Either you take an offer or you set the matter for trial. Which one do you want?
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, there must be a complaining witness, and the state cannot be a complaining witness. Now, if I'm entitled to a fair trial, the law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim? Who did I injure?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim. And if that's the case,
I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
if that's the case,
Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward? Would you be agreeable to that?
Sure.
Okay, awesome.
Trying to help, she offers a breakout room. One last chance to talk sense into him, but Garner brushes it off. It's a short exchange, but it says everything. He's on a one-way track to contempt, and the person who could have helped him just got shut out. No lifelines left, just pride and its costly clip.
He's ready, Your Honor. He's representing himself.
Let's go back on the record with Garner. What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date, or you want an offer? Those are really your only two options.
Okay, since we are on the record, all I'm asking for is the
Okay, one last time. Now listen, here's how it's gonna go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically, then I'm gonna hold you in contempt of court, and we're gonna move from that point on, right?
Laying down boundaries. But Garner keeps pushing, interrupting, talking over the court. This is the last straw. You can feel it shift, the formality fades, and the judge makes it clear. This is now about order and consequence. We're watching the moment where courtroom tolerance snaps.
telling me
Mr. Garner, we're not gonna have a
court is just gonna violate the
conversation.
law.
Stop, sir. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm gonna ask you to.
On the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
All right.
I'm asking.
I'm gonna hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
So that means that the court is just going to violate my rights because I'm defending myself? Is that what I'm hearing?
30 days, Wayne County Jail, no early release. That'll give you some chance and some time to read up on your rights, okay? Fill out the contempt papers, Madam. So I'm going to order you to turn yourself in today, Mr. Garner, to start that jail time, okay?
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
That's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.